At the station, there's a gap between movement and idleness. Deceptively small, it should barely warrant a notice really. But there that gap exists, the separation between creative aspirations and actualization. The train is constant, a force indifferent to waiting, a vessel full of ideas ready to be set in motion. It can navigate a complex network, guiding passengers to find their purpose through momentum. Each destination a vision waiting to take shape. But half-formed thoughts do not chart paths forward. Between the platform and that first step, the uncertainty can be immobilizing. Tunnel vision, focused solely on the end, only widens the perceived distance. Without direction, that small gap becomes a barrier shaped by hesitation, a threshold of trust lost in oneself to grab hold. By circumstance, another metal dragon appears, weaving through the city, resurfacing like a guide. This time, light catches their scales, reanimating neglected corners where doubts gathered and ideas idled. Break through, and the once imposing gap will shift, no longer resisting action but seamlessly amplifying it. Through the ebb and flow, progress, not waiting, is the only constant to surface clarity. Soft reflections are meant to be discovered in the in-between. There's forgiveness in the present. Mind the gap and step closer to your vision.